show you a quick video on how to properly blow out the filter. I opened everything up to make it a little easier and a little shorter video. So the first thing we'll blow out is your tank and air filter. It's important to blow this out to keep your AC working. Now you can see by looking at this, it's pretty dirty. Tells me it wasn't blown out very well. That's how you blow them out.
After you get done blowing everything out properly, reinstall your filters, put your clamp back in, and come around to the back. Place your air filter back where it goes, reinsert your 4 screws, and that's how to properly clean out your AC